Hello and welcome back to my chat. I'm Debbie Ginsburg from Organize You for Life. I'm a professional organizer and I teach organizing and life management skills to people who find that they're not functioning properly during the day, not getting things done. I help people with ADHD and people with executive function disorder and seniors if they're starting to have cognitive decline or life has just become too much for them. So today I want to talk to you about a case study. See, I offer in my program 3 different steps. You could choose just one, two, whatever you want, user friendly. So what we offer to one client, he was one of my first clients, was the opportunity for me to sit with him one to one and teach him what he needed to know. So he was a college student and he was actually he entered and he was doing well. But what happens with ADHD is that you can start to find that the discrepancy between your chronological age and your developmental age can be different, and it could get greater as you get older. So in his particular case, he was starting to go down in his studies. He was losing control, and I needed to teach him skill sets. So after teaching him quite a bit, and he was really getting to the point of having more order in his life and order in his brain, and by doing repetitive but not boring, okay, by doing repetitive schedule, he was able to remember what he had to do when. And what ended up happening was that he went from a C student, and about 6 months later, he graduated, and he became he went on Dean's List, which is phenomenal. So today, after he graduated, he took a break, and then we got in touch again, and I said, you know what? I have another part of my program. I just brought in some neurocognitive training, and it offered permanence. So I was able to offer him the ability to train on this so he could have permanence in his cognitive skill sets, in his improvement, clearly improvement on his cognitive skill sets, his attention span, and self-regulation, which are the 3 areas that would be most helpful to him. And there are other aspects of what the neurocognitive training will do for someone. So after 3 short months, he's already on he went up a level because there are different levels of skill. His attention span has gone up tremendously, tremendously. And he's now noticing that when he's in a program that, there might be some learning going on, his attention span is greater. When he's at work, he's recognizing that his attention span has improved. He's able to hear what people are saying and retain it better. And he's able to now, we call it working memory, he's applying what he's hearing. So this is really very exciting because of the fact that it offers people this, alternative approach to help themselves. And it complements the medicine. We're not saying don't take the medicine. And it complements whatever you're doing in talk therapy or meeting with a psychiatrist. It's another element, and it doesn't take more than 13 months, and you feel the difference, and it's with you forever. So my number is 516-984-9365. Call me. Let me just talk to you. Ask me your questions. I'm so user friendly. I'm so looking forward to just helping people. So if you have any issues, give me a call. I'll be happy to talk to you. Thank you. Have a good day.